Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a Gmail account in your laptop. So as you can see here, I've already opened my laptop and also my browser, and what you need to do is you can just go to your browser and find this google.com, and you'll find the login option at the top. Just select this. Okay, I'm going to translate into English, and here you can just click on create account, and you can choose whether you want to create the account for yourself, for your child, or to manage your business. So I'm going to use for myself, and you can just click on the type in your front name and also your last name here. This is tutorial. Okay, so I'm going to use this as the email, and then you can just type in your password. And then click on next. And then here you can add your phone number, but it is optional, so you can just keep it. And also the recovery email address is also optional, and you can choose your birthdays here. And you can also select the gender and click on next again, and you can agree this privacy and terms from Gmail to create the account. Okay, so just like that, your Gmail account has been created. Okay, so that's it from me. I hope this was useful to you. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe our channel. Bye.